Hidden dangers lurk in your Pikas' care that could jeopardize their health. Those seemingly innocent quirks. They might be critical warning signs you can't ignore. Every moment you overlook these subtle changes could lead to serious consequences for your furry friend. Imagine walking into your living room and noticing your pika acting strangely. It's easy to dismiss it as just a quirky moment, but what if that odd behavior signals something deeper? Many pet owners fail to recognize that these small signs can indicate significant health issues. Consider your feeding routine. You might think every pika thrives on the same diet, but that assumption could be harmful. As you browse the pet store, that colorful food packaging might be hiding dangerous additives. Are you unknowingly putting your pet at risk with what seems like a special treat? Now, think about their living environment. You may feel confident in their space, but is it truly suitable? Many owners underestimate the importance of proper ventilation and temperature control. Your pika could be suffering in silence while you believe everything is fine. Why? While you is suffering of right. While you say was saying to the world is Stress is a silent killer. If you don't recognize the warning signs, your pet could be struggling without you knowing. A shift in behavior, like increased withdrawal, might seem normal, but it could indicate a serious issue. Every day you ignore these signs increases the risk to your pet's health, and the emotional toll of having a sick pika is a reality you don't want to face. So, what can you do? Start paying attention to those small changes. A shift in behavior could be a cry for help. Adjust their diet and observe the impact. Minor tweaks could lead to significant improvements. Caring for a pika goes beyond just providing food and shelter. It's about understanding their needs and recognizing their signals. Strengthen your bond by uncovering the truth beneath the surface. If you found this information helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and stay updated. Your pika deserves the best, and together we can ensure they thrive. Did you know that your adorable pika might be facing hidden struggles? While many see them as just cute pets, there's much more beneath that fluffy exterior. Imagine coming home to find your usually lively pika curled up in a corner, seemingly lost in thought. You might chalk it up to a mood swing, but what if it's something more serious? Misunderstandings about pika care can lead owners to overlook crucial signs of stress. It's not just about food and shelter. Understanding their emotional needs is key. Have you noticed your pika's ears drooping or their movements slowing? These subtle cues might seem harmless, but they could be cries for help. Let's discuss their environment. Discuss their environment. You might think your home is a perfect paradise for your pika, but even minor changes can cause significant stress. A new pet, a loud noise, or a shift in your routine can trigger anxiety. Picture this: your usually curious and playful pika suddenly retreats to their hiding spot. What message are they trying to send you? Here's something even more concerning: many owners unintentionally reinforce behaviors that heighten their pet's stress. Do you pick them up when they seem scared, or ignore their signals, thinking it's just a phase? These well-meaning actions can lead to long-term behavioral issues. Now, let's emphasize the urgency. Ignoring these signals for too long can lead to your pika's health declining, resulting in costly vet visits and endless worry. Would you wish you had noticed those signs earlier? So, what can you do? Start by paying closer attention to your pika's body language. A twitch off their whiskers or a shift in their gaze might reveal more than you think. Establish a routine that prioritizes their comfort and create a safe space for them to retreat to when they feel overwhelmed. As we wrap up, take a moment to reflect. Your pika is more than just a pet. They're a companion who relies on you to understand their needs. The next time you notice a change in their behavior, remember it could be an urgent message. If you found this information insightful, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What signals have you noticed in your pika? Let's keep the conversation going. Have you ever had that gut-wrenching realization that you might not be caring for your beloved pika as well as you should? It's a thought that can keep any pet owner up at night. Here's the troubling truth: many common misconceptions about pika care can lead us astray. We often believe we're giving our pikas the best life possible, yet there might be hidden mistakes that could harm them without us even noticing. Let's dive into this together. Picture this: you've created a cozy habitat, stocked it with all the must-have items, and you're feeling proud, thinking your little friend is living the dream. But how certain are you about that? Many people don't realize that what works for other pets don't always apply to pikas. Those colorful chew toys you bought, they might not be as safe as you think. And that seemingly harmless treat, it could actually pose a serious risk to your pet's health. Now, imagine noticing your pika acting strangely, maybe losing weight or becoming less active. You might brush it off as just a phase. But what if it's a sign of something more serious, linked to the choices you've made? It's easy to overlook these signs, thinking they were just quirky little creatures, but they could be struggling in silence. This reality means that overlooked details can lead to significant consequences. Let's talk about diet. If you think a little variety won't hurt,